Hey guys, sit here only Ash on the YouTube channel, and we are playing this slime and mixing up stuff with our slimes, like putting stuff in the slimes. What is those to foam beads? And look, I only have my jiggly farm. And I only have 6 fire. And cut me off. This is our first time what we doing right now. Playing this it. It kind of dicky. That had to be normal us put it in here to hold up these. A couple. Zombies. Not hard. I will clean that up. I will clean up my mess, Mom. Okay?
Yeah, I know you will.
Put the phone on the floor. Because these are messy, so I have to be really careful. And I'm not that careful yesterday. So, look at that. Right. Now I will be right back. Now I learn this one. Mom, I'll show you what I'm talking about. We can't have a party if it's not a lot. So, Mom. I'm changing my way. I'm putting the phone beads in my. Sorry about that. I kind of really fast out doing stuff, but I don't know why my head going crazy. It's just I'm making fine. I'm not making fine. I'm like missing a death. Yes, the fine. I want it to calm down. So this will be my best friend ever because Dickie and it holding on the phone dogs. Looky at here. How do whatever it? Hey, don't be saying that. Do you see it? Do you see it? You need to look. That is my good find. Is the best. I think I like to find. Good find. And now it's time to add in the single pies. See that? Boo. Go with boo. Teal.
You took it down. No.
Is this your bag? Well, that's more than 3.4 ounces. You're gonna tell us that. Or just
That's my mom.
Buddy.
It's easy. I'm hawking. Yeah, it's the best time ever. Oh. Let me do something. We're not allowed to look what I'm doing. So I have to put you guys like that.
Yeah?
trust why? So what they did to the family building. I don't know for sure. Of course, our club was last week. Then right towards the main tent. I'm sorry, what? Towards your clubhouse. Yeah. No one got hurt. No, just the fire department.
For,
They belong to the same person.
yeah.
So the suspect went from arson to arson plus murder in 2 weeks. He's escalating. What about social media threats? Anything before the clubhouse fire?
No, but I did take out an obscure
35 can. You come get it.
Responsibility?
someone named Vanguard, 2018. A new dawn is rising.
Could be
Hi, it's sis.
credit for the fire.
So is New Dawn her name or?
Yeah, I'm there.
We ran the dawn. Teeth, but we are still tracking the hashtag.
Now we consider a shadow.
Come on, baby, puppy.
Any chance that
I got Chloe. How do I know how many subscribers do I have on YouTube?
It was posted by someone named Claire Taylor. Check out the tag.
How do you know? Buddy, do you want to down do for the camera? Oh, that's my baby boy who loves me to death. It right more. Buddy, talk. Buddy, talk. Buddy, talk. Talk.
I have
Oh,
a pet
oh. You're talking. Sit. Whoa.
Dan, I can go to dance on Thursday.
I can.
Good for you.
Hyper dog. Be cute. Be cute. Be cute. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute. Buddy looking cute. Buddy all looking cute. Looking cute. Looking cute. Looking cute. You are looking so cute. You are so adorable. Right now, because you are the best. You're the puppy what I ever know. Oh my God, that is a good grip. Okay, Friday he was trying to grasp the camera up. So, Buddy is a good girl. Buddy is a good boy, but he is hyper.
Get out. This storm must be pretty bad, huh?
Do you want to see something what Buddy can do? Come on, dog teach. Buddy. He's what calm him down. Doggy treat. Sit. Buddy, sit. Buddy, roll over. Buddy. Come. Walk. What cute. Good boy. Do you want to know a couple more tricks? Whoa! Who right? Right to take it away from. Hey, we got a will treat. Oh, those. We'll pick that one.
Who told you that you guys ain't gonna probably have school tomorrow? Who told you that you ain't gonna probably have school tomorrow?
I feel like we still will go though. Semen's out.
I went out to the pups. Those are my pups. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Angel.
Ashley, you're recording the entire house.
No, I'm not.
There's a table of dirty dishes right there that you're getting in that video.
Nope. Chloe is a black dog. I mean, Chloe is a brown dog. Angel is a black and white dog. Yep. Again, little Buddy. I know a guy like Buddy because he is the cutest little thing. What about me right now? And you're looking cute.
We'll cancel ours like 6:40 in the morning. When I'm up and ready for school. You know,
Maybe you don't.
or they won't cancel. 4:37 and 4:56 are canceled right around us.
What about 501?
Not yet.
Who go to Comfy? Who go to Concy North? Who want good tomorrow? Give me big who phone up and tell me right down the description of the YouTube. And who don't say I don't want to go to school because I don't eat all.
I have training tomorrow.
What? Nothing.
Who say who want to go to school because who got training tomorrow. What is the training about? already know how to do that.
I don't know how to work the iPad.
What iPad? We don't need an iPad to like get a hot chocolate.
Because we have to, that's what we take our orders on.
Yeah. Write it down on a notebook. What anybody doing doors.
Honey, they don't take your orders on notebook paper. They take it on a plastic.
No,
Yeah.
not
They scan it.
Jake can take.
They don't take it on paper.
Yeah.
I don't know. Some people do right now on paper.
Yeah, if you're taking it, like, as you're ordering the food, honey. I'm talking about like the store.
And me too.
The issue's not really a store, it's a restaurant.
If you can get some of the real
Oh my
kids
God!
up there that knows what they're doing, they normally can remember it and put it through the computer.
Or also there's good people that write it down and say it back to you.
Hey, Chloe, is that bad for you?
Hey, son, I got some bad news. You're stuck. So you're still doing your job here. We're out now. So you have to stand by. I can't breathe. Better get the floor.
Chloe,
Who wants to know my little secret about me and JoJo?
yeah.
Me and JoJo like to talk to each other on the phone, on Messenger. It's called JoJo Shua. If you want to know, it's called JoJo Shua. If you want to talk to her, okay? Calm it down to the progression and say, if you like JoJo, say, I like JoJo. Ash. How about Ash is ASH.
I'm gonna still drink the basket.
That was mine!
Just one drink?
Mm-mm.
Please.
Mm-mm. Not too full of that, say.
I'm not gonna fill up the cup.
Get up. Drink milk. We're calling me names.
No, we're not.
Who just... Mom, who just say we'll suck?
What?
Who say we'll fuck? Okay, here we go for that farm. The goodbye to it is the best farm ever. It looked like pruning, but it's not. We can't grab it from the middle. It will dip easily.
You're gonna post a 25-minute video on YouTube?
Everybody do. Fun people.
You're recording the ground right now.
Yeah.
This is
Oh.
why you need to edit these things.
What? What?
I said, this is why you need to edit your videos.
Why?
So there's not videos of the ground, honey. You also need to eat your food.
I don't want ham.
You're not gonna eat your hand? Really?
Hey, I got a question. How do you know how to re-edit it on my phone?